Hi everyone, I wanted to take a moment and say thank you to everyone for their messages. I'm back, I'm home, I'm safe, I'm fine. But just 2 days back, I woke up in a hotel room in Tel Aviv with bomb sounds around me and sirens blaring, and we were taken down to a basement and shelter areas. And मैं पहले ऐसे सिचुएशन में कभी रही नहीं हूँ, बट आज जब मैं अपने घर में उठी हूँ with no sounds and feeling safe and feeling fine, तो मुझे रियलाइज़ हो रहा है कि कितनी बड़ी बात है. हम कितने फॉर्चुनेट है कि हम इस कंट्री में हैं, कि हम प्रोटेक्टेड है, हम सेफ है. So I want to take this moment and say thank you to the government of India, say thank you to the Indian embassy, say thank you to the Israel embassy for guiding us, for advising us, and making it possible for me to come back home to my country safe and sound. I also want to take a moment and extend my prayers and wishes to the people still stuck in the war. And I really hope for peace